just finished eating breakfast. We do not recommend the breakfast.
Yung free.
Too cold. Ha?
Yung free siguro.
Yung free. Ewan ko kung masarap.
Siguro kung magbabay ka ng
Yung long yung isa, half na o sa half basta ito yung rice ko, it was so cold and hindi ko siya kinain. And we have coffee. Is it unlimited? And I have toast with peanut butter. I-recommend mo ba? Hindi. Ha? Sabi ni Mark, sabi ka sa lang ako. Masarap yan? Sarap yan? This is the first day of the workshop. We have 2 days of the workshop. Let me show you what I'm doing right now. So I'm just fixing everything because we need to check out in a few minutes. We're actually very late. So ayokong mag-add. Ayaw namin mag-add ng additional fee. So we're gonna rush. So we're now here at the venue for the makeup workshop. This is Bottega Studio here at Katipunan Avenue. And this is the place. It's super pretty. I like all of this whiteness going on. And then over on this side, we have all the students for today's workshop. Workshop. And oops, oh my gosh. Yeah, and then over here, we have the products that we can try out today. Palettes from Chic Cosmetics. Hi! Okay, so we're about to start and we are here with Anna. Asan si Joyce? This is Noe. Anna, Noe. Si Joyce nawawala. Then for our model for today is Iya. Hi, Iya. Ano yung channel? Like ka na lang yung sa info box. No.
No, you'll take a test the basic and then for the advanced, it will be Joyce and...
So I'm done with my part. Now Noe's discussing the rest of the topics about basic makeup, and this is her presentation. Face shapes, and then ayan, makatama.
Forehead and chin, contour and highlight. Here, for different face shapes. The idea behind contour and highlight basically is you want to achieve the oval face. That's the standard.
Okay, so we're done with the first part of the workshop. So Noe and I have another segment panel, which is date night makeup. After eating, we're gonna eat lunch, and this is how our food looks like: pasta, pizza, chicken.
Italiano. Chicken and pizza.
Hi. Okay. So we're now at the day to nighttime makeup transformation. I'm done with the day makeup. Now Noe's doing the nighttime transformation makeup.
A little on your chin. But if you have watery eyes, it's bound to rub off. It's the method of... Girls really like to bust out their favorite lip glosses at night.
Brown.
And then what I do is from the brown. Red na yun.
Yan, ready na paligid yan.
Yung bro? Ba? Feel mo lang siya talaga. Andito na yung socket eh. And then andito na yung bone. So dun mo siya talaga ilalagay.
Yan ito, pikit lang kayo. Kuha kayo ng brush. Pikit kayo. Or nakagano'n. Kung saan lumubog.
Kung saan lumubog yan?
Yan ang socket nyo. So, kasi yung iba, pag naglalagay ng eyeshadow, minsan bitin, minsan, wow, nasa brow bones na. So, yun. At pag naglalagay ng eyeshadow, yung iba hindi alam eh. So, sobrang kulang. Basta lagi.
Okay, so the workshop is finally over. It is now 7:30 in the evening, and people are just wrapping up their thing. So they're taking like final photos here. We have an awesome photographer. We have a lot of awesome photographers here. And ayan. Finally natapos din kami. I feel so tired. Sobrang nakakapagod talaga. Joyce! Hi!
Hello!
Umulan? Lakas ulan? Congratulations! Nasa vlog kayo. Congratulations! Yay! Vlogception. Vlogception. Hi! Alam mo, you should buy ganitong cam. Dapat bili ka ng ganitong cam. Hindi ka ba nabibigatan? Oh.
Okay na?
Oo, okay na.